Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Tado thermostat. First, download the Tado app on your smartphone and create an account. This app will be your step-by-step guide. Next, locate the QR code on your Tado device and scan it with the app to initiate the process. Before touching any wires, always ensure your heating system's power is completely off at the fuse box. It is also very helpful to take clear pictures of your old thermostat's wiring for reference. Now let's install the core components. Begin by connecting the Tado Internet bridge to your home router using the provided Ethernet cable. Power it on, then press and hold the pairing button until its LED light starts blinking, indicating it's ready to connect. Next, you will wire the wireless receiver to your boiler. The app provides tailored instructions for over 16,000 different heating systems, so follow those carefully. After wiring, securely mount the wireless receiver to the wall. With the bridge and receiver in place, it's time for your smart thermostat. Install it in your preferred location, either on a wall or using a stand. Then, remove the battery protection strip from the back of the device. Press and hold the pairing button on the thermostat for about 3 seconds. It should then connect with the Internet bridge. If you have additional smart radiator thermostats, simply scan their QR codes within the app to add them to your Tado home. Finally, return to the Tado app to complete the system configuration. The app will guide you through setting up your specific heating system type. Once configured, perform a test of both your heating and hot water to confirm everything is working correctly. You can then set your desired temperature schedules and integrate with other smart home platforms. Remember to explore advanced features like geofencing and open window detection to maximize your energy savings and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.